Toher Creamery. That's the bridge on the Carnahala River where they used to sharpen blades. I suppose when they come to the creamery, somebody might have been particularly good at sharpening stuff. Look, it is all lovely and square, the edges of it, as you get to this one. And then you have your hollows and the three cuts. Now they would have sharpened blades. It's like three cuts on the pier there now. Or not on the pier, on the edge of the bridge. And there's hollows there, I don't know, can you see them? Three hollows. See the way it is hollowed there. See the way it is hollowed. A hollow on the bridge compared to that one, because they were cutting it. They were cutting into it with trying to sharpen blades. Could be a hay knife, a knife, and there's a right big one then right across the way, all grand and square until you get to this stone, and then it's a dip. See it there? See the hollow that's on that? And that's how big that is. There's my hand inside in the middle. If you'd fit my hand nearly 5 times along it. They do it in houses as well, on windowsills and on steps going indoors. I don't know if it's sandstone or limestone. Somebody will probably tell me what is it, what's the best stone to sharpen a blade.